Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert WAV file to MP3 format using my tips and tricks. So how to do it? And let's start detailed demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and just put it here Audacity. You need to install this software in your operating system. The software available on 3 different operating systems, like look at this here: Windows, Mac, Linux, Source, and some other platforms also. But I just simply download for here Mac operating system, direct download, and the software is downloadable here. Software size is very small, like a 42 MB. After finished download, you just simply click twice and just simply drag and drop your application folder. I have already, but I just simply replace this one, and that's it. And now you just simply open your launchpad and search here Audacity. Here is Audacity is available. I open simply, the Audacity is open. So now I will provide you 2 demo in the single video. So first of all, I will convert as a demo one WAV file, and as well as you can convert MP3 also, MP3 to WAV and WAV to MP3 or other format. So first of all, I open here demo 1. You just simply drag and drop. So this is a file demo 1. Look at this here. After calling here WAV file, you just simply click here export, and look at this here export. You can export as a different format also. So now this is a WAV file. I convert as a MP3 format. Select here location. I select here in desktop location, demo new. And that's it. Within a second you can convert as a WAV file to MP3 without reduce anything. Now time to convert as a MP3 to WAV format. Call here new, and again simply file, open. So here is a demo MP3. Now we are convert as a MP3 file. Again I export and WAV file. Here demo 2, save, close. No. So look at this here. I convert this MP3 to that WAV file. I convert this WAV file to that MP3 file using Audacity software. It's very simple using my tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.